Vieux Fort is gearing up for its highly anticipated Carnival 2025 themed Mass in Unity, and this year the emphasis is clearly on order and public safety. With memories of past celebrations and the challenge faced by the community, organizers are determined to implement a structured approach, particularly concerning vending and crowd management. A recent comprehensive meeting at the Vieux Fort South constituency office brought together a diverse group of stakeholders, all committed to ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience for revelers. A key focus of the discussions revolved around vendor placement and public safety. Concerns about vendors obstructing pathways and potentially posing safety risks to revelers were addressed, with a clear aim to streamline operations.
Over the years, since 2020 or before 2020, we last had a productive Vieux Fort Carnival. And coming back from the challenges that we faced as a community, we really want to make sure that we have this proper layout. We want to know exactly we want the community to know exactly what to expect and what to look forward to when they come to the Vieux Fort Carnival. And when we speak about layout, we're looking at vending especially, and also the securities and the safety concerning vending. Quite often we have vendors at the side of the road who may pose a threat or more likely safety risks to revelers. Grills on the side of the road, the tents too close to the road, and it affects the flow of the carnival.
The meeting saw active participation from various essential agencies, including the Ministry of Health.
We are expecting vendors on the day of Carnival to be properly attired, actually following all health protocols, properly attired, in possession of valid health certificates and public health license, expecting all booths to be properly equipped with water and lighting, and all foods to be properly prepared, safe, and proper storage, so we have no cross-contamination of food or any outbreak of disease at the event. Active participation in the meeting, and I guess they are looking forward to having a safe event and are excited knowing that they know what is expected of them.
Stakeholders say the collaborative presence underscores the holistic approach being adopted for Carnival 2025.
So far we have a representative from Ministry of Health, we have the fire service here with us, we have the police here with us, we have committee members, we have vendors and band leaders at this meeting. So to discuss how we could come together to ensure that we have an incident-free carnival. Again, Vieux Fort Carnival is themed Mass in Unity. So if we're themed that, it's very essential that we bring everybody together to make sure that it is very successful and very productive. So again, we really want to encourage Vieux Fortians, we want to encourage surrounding communities to come back to Vieux Fort Carnival, come on the 13th and 14th of July and to see what we could pull together so that even next year when we come, it will show this real feel of resilience, and that's what we are. Vieux Fort South, a resilient community.
With the collective efforts of all involved, officials believe that Vieux Fort Carnival 2025 promises to be a well-organized event. The public is encouraged to mark their calendars for July 13th and 14th to experience Mass in Unity firsthand.